Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to locate warranty information for your mobility product. Now before I get any further, I just want to say if you want to claim a copy of our free product catalog, all you have to do is go to our website mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, just fill out that simple short form, and one will be in your mailbox within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I also want to say that if you subscribe to our channel, you're automatically going to be entered into our giveaway. We give away a free mobility scooter at least every 6 months, and we're doing it more often now. So go ahead and subscribe. You're already here. It's free. It takes no time at all. Just hit that button and you'll be automatically entered. I'm going to throw the last winner on the screen so you know it's legit, and we'll be right back with you. We're actually giving this one to one of the residents here on the 3rd floor. It might be your neighbor. Yeah, they entered into a giveaway raffle and they won. That's why we're getting it on camera.
So badly. Oh
Yep.
my gosh! I'm so happy for you.
Hello.
It's good to meet you.
So, we're here with Gloria, and she's got her scooter that we're donating, and all she did was subscribe to our YouTube channel about a year ago.
I said it's a godsend that I got this. It's a miracle, really. I needed it desperately.
Well, it's something we're really happy to be able to do, Gloria.
Thank you.
And we really appreciate those kind words. And it's pretty easy. All you have to do is subscribe. This is what we're doing here every 6 months. So if you know somebody else that could use one, please tell them. All right, welcome back. So hopefully you've subscribed, and good luck to you if you subscribed. So to find the warranty information for your mobility scooter, power wheelchair, or lift chair, there's really 2 main ways to do it. First, just locate the user manual. With your product, you should have received a booklet. Now, I have a Golden Technologies Light Rider scooter. All right, so I have the owner's manual taken out of the bag here, and if we open it up, go to the table of contents, you'll see at the very bottom here, it has warranty information starting on page 37. So if you go to page 37, you'll see all of the important warranty information. Now, with some manufacturers, they do want you to register your product, and it gives you instructions on how to do that. Now, other manufacturers, it's not necessary, so make sure you read all the information about the warranty in its entirety. If you need to register it, go ahead and register it, and that way you'll be able to streamline any warranty claims that you may have in the future. And again, this was for a product by Golden Technologies. You may have the Golden Light Rider, the Carry-On Scooter series. Those are very popular as well. We also have the Companion series by Golden Technology. So if you have any of those scooters, or the Compass Power Wheelchair, the NV by Golden, the warranty information is basically in the owner's manual, and it's going to be found the same way. Now, if you own a Pride Mobility product, such as a Revo 2.0, same thing. Comes with a plastic bag when you get your product, and there's a lot of information in here. And what you want to do is locate the booklet, and in the booklet, there's usually an insert. So you're going to have an insert like this, which is inside of the user manual booklet. And again, it just has the warranty information broken down. So you get the lifetime limited warranty on the frame, the tiller, the seat post, 2-year limited warranty on the transaxle bushings, brakes, motor brakes, bearings, and then a 6-month warranty on the batteries. So you can read all about the warranty information. There's a lot of good information here. And I think it's important that you go through this information as soon as you get your product so that you're familiar with what the warranty includes, what's covered, what's not. A lot of manufacturers will include a 1-year repair contract in addition to the warranty, which means that if you do file a warranty claim, as long as it's approved, the manufacturer will also cover the labor charges associated with dispatching a technician either to your home or at a local dealer. Pride Mobility and Golden Technologies do include those repair contracts for 1 year with every purchase of a powered mobility product. Afikim, which makes the Afi scooter, which we have over here with the canopy on top, is the only manufacturer to include a 3-year repair contract. Now, these are some of the best outdoor mobility scooters on the market. We have tons of videos that show their off-road capabilities. They're awesome. Seriously, the best scooter for off-roading and going outdoors out there possibly in the world. So check out our videos. We have an entire playlist dedicated to Afikim scooters so you can learn more about them. Same thing with the warranty information. You're going to find it in the user manual. And I just want to show you one other brand, which is eWheels. eWheels is very popular. They have really affordable mobility scooters. They don't include a repair contract with the warranty, but if you want to see the warranty information, it's in your instruction booklet on the last page. So go ahead and find that owner's manual and go on to the last page, and there it is. So the common denominator here is it's usually at the very end or the last section of the user manual or owner's manual or instruction booklet. It looks like the manufacturers like to refer to it in many different ways, but just find the main booklet and you're either going to find it somewhere in that booklet, or like Pride Mobility, they include a little leaflet stuffed in the booklet that's separate from the booklet itself. Now, there's one other way to find warranty information, and that's by visiting our website, mobilitydirect.com. Unfortunately, if the product you own is discontinued, you're not going to be able to locate it on our website. So you might not be able to find warranty information on our website if the product you own is discontinued. But if it's not discontinued, you can go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, find the product by either using the search bar and typing in the name or model number of your product, clicking on the product from the search results to open up the full listing, and on that listing you just want to scroll down below the main product images where all the images of the product are, and you'll find a little tab that says warranty, and it's going to be next to the tabs that have the description, specifications, return information. There's a separate tab that says warranty, and you can also go to the specifications tab, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see a couple of the most important warranty stats, such as the warranty length for the frame, electronics, batteries, and any other parts. But if you want to see the full verbiage of the entire warranty, there's a dedicated warranty tab on every product page for all of our powered mobility products so that you can see the full warranty information, as you can see here, which I'm throwing on the screen for you to see a live example. So again, if your product's current and it's something that's still being sold, you can go to our website and find warranty information that way. And if you're an existing customer of ours, don't be shy, give us a call. We'll explain the warranty information, find out if you can still file a warranty claim. And that's gonna conclude this video. I really appreciate you taking the time to visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you can automatically get entered into that giveaway and hopefully win a free mobility scooter. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.